Well, joining us here on Times Network is Mr. Sai Prasad, who's the Executive Director of Bharat Biotech. Thank you for speaking to us. We saw your session, and also we're talking about how Bharat Biotech has made, established, especially in Kerala, but that was food processing, like you mentioned. But do you envision in terms of biotechnology, because right now Kerala is emerging as a hub?
Right. So Kerala has the right ecosystem for biotechnology. I mean, you don't need, I would say hundreds or thousands of acres of land to set up companies in the biotechnology space. It is related to a lot of R&D, a lot of deep tech. So Kerala has the right ecosystem. It has the people are very innovative, highly talented workforce, and that workforce is there all over the world, creating great opportunities for themselves. I think they need to come back and create the same opportunities within the state. So I think it's not a matter of if, it's just a matter of when. And the current government is thinking about the right policies also to attract new investments and new companies, and also startups. A lot of startups are coming into the ecosystem. So I think the future looks good.
Okay, so do you also envision in terms of Kerala being such a small state, can it play a larger role in terms of biotechnology ecosystem across the country?
So I think, when you measure it, when you think about it as a manufacturing ecosystem, there are challenges. But if you think about it as an innovation-driven, knowledge-driven ecosystem, I think 100%. There is a lot of opportunities because the literacy rates are high, but also the depth of literacy is very good. It's not just people who are educated at 10th or 12th grade level. They're much higher educated. And also there's a lot of maturity in the population. There is innovation maturity in the population. That's what we were talking about in the panel.
How can we ignore the fact that, in terms of healthcare, and that's the state?
Right. In terms of healthcare, that's the state. And also in terms of what we are, as a part of Viksit Bharat, 2047, if we need to be a developed country, I think we need to have gender balance and gender parity in all aspects. And I think Kerala has already demonstrated that. They're very, very ahead in terms of gender balance and gender parity. And that's going to take them a long way. All right.
Thank you, Mr. Sai Prasad. Thank you.